Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable photos, memories, notifications on your iPhone. So sometimes when you're just using your phone, you will randomly get notifications of memories you've made in the last few years, and they will show you pictures of that here over on your notification center or in your suggestion search right here. And here's how you can actually disable this, because sometimes that could be quite annoying. So literally all you need to do to disable it is open your phone, on your iPhone of course, and you want to make sure to click on settings. Then all you need to do is scroll all the way down till you get to the Photos app right here. And you want to scroll down again, and then right here what you need to do is you need to make sure to disable show featured content. So what this will do, it will literally allow featured photos and memories to automatically appear on this device in places such as For You and Search in Photos and Widgets. So you want to make sure to disable show featured content so you don't get it anymore. And I would also recommend just disabling show holiday events, just because. So yeah, that's how you can disable photos, memories, notifications over on your iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.